Welcome back to this video. If your Alipay account has been hacked, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply report to Alipay customer support in order to retrieve back your Alipay account from the hacker. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on my Alipay app right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to go to account and security. The next thing you need to do is to go to security center. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on lost account. Then you'll be taken right here. So by default, your email that has been linked to your Alipay account is going to be found right here, because that is only when Alipay can get back to you. And with that, here you need to state, if you lost your phone, make sure you check on here. If you lost money, click on here. If it is account hack, simply click on other risk right here. Once you click on other risk, make sure you slide right here, and then report loss now is going to be active. Click on report now and state the further information about the account issue and submit to Alipay account. With that, Alipay customer support is going to work on it and retrieve back your account for the hacker. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.